Alright guys, Easy about to do a junk removal. Yep. Uh-oh. Got a little urine. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's get it. If there's anything. Alright, that's good. Refrigerator. Uh-oh. Alright. Spotted the dog. Alright guys, this is all the trash we got out of the 2-bedroom unit. Starting to rain in beautiful Florida, but this is it. Alright y'all, so here's the finished product of the junk removal. Bathroom done. Everything is out. Bedrooms. We lightly swept the unit. Property manager asked if we could sweep it a bit. And everything is off the porch, the balcony. Room clean. Just got to get rid of that desk. Everything is out of the washer and dryer. Let's lock this up. Alright. Everything's out of the cupboard. Just need the cleaning crew to take all of this stuff. Cupboard's clean. Everything oven, empty, and wash and dryer. And the other bathrooms, another unit, bedroom. I don't know what was in there, but this stank. Everything all cleared out. That's the door stop. That's the molding for the door. Everything's all clean. Easy has done it again. Oh, this little room right here. So many rooms. There you go. Alright, and this is how we do our junk removals in a Ford Transit.